Do you guys want food?
Yeah, we want food. Sure.
Okay. Ate don't have this. Krish, what do you guys want? What do you guys want? What chips you guys want? What chips you guys want? Okay, don't burn yourself in sauna, okay? Don't too close on sauna. Julene, don't be close in sauna. Kita man pa di sauna ni mamaya
Dapat pala nakaharap dito.
Oo nga eh. They're doing sauna.
We could have put the front here instead of there.
I asked her.
Well, we don't. Well, I want it there next to the pool now. I want it next to the pool.
We're gonna move it over there.
Can we move it?
We're gonna move it over there.
Oh,
Think of winter. Think of nine out of 12 months.
okay.
Really want to ban it because you're gonna use it in the winter the most.
Oh, yeah. But I like to have that
But
cold
the pool's
plunge.
coming down and
Oh, really?
real fast. Can't stay up for winter.
Hey, are you cooking for them, Han? Matamaan sila ng ano, yung nagburburok. Don't be too close. Don't be too close. Pwede, paano mo tiyan ito, Dong? Paano ba yung naka-open tong kalahati na ito? Di ba pwede? Ah, yan ba? Ito ni... Ah, ayan pala yung nahanap ko yan. Okay, pati. Oh, wow, it's warm. Oh!
I'm sure.
Are you guys warm or now?
They don't like it because it's small. This is so bad, but like,
just because you can't
it's hot.
breathe.
It's hot.
It's not like regular.
It's not
Now
cold
you guys,
warm.
now it's nice going back to the pool.
Yeah.
Yep. No, the steam makes yours sweaty, and then makes open your, clean your pores and all that. So that's a good benefit of that.
See, like, seriously, that's what I don't like about saunas. Makes you so you can't breathe.
But you can go. That's I think for those big sauna, those this one is tent, so it's there's always open. This one now it's open there,
What?
so you can do it.
What do you guys want to for
What
dinner?
chips you guys?
For dinner?
Yeah. I don't know.
You guys want rice?
can
Rice
have
and adobo. We have rice and adobo.
And you have the pancit. Can we have pancit?
Adobo, yeah. Your dad's. You remember that your dad likes it.
Adobo?
Yeah.
Pancit.
And there's noodles too. Yeah, pancit is there.
Pancit and rice.
Yeah, there's one there.
What do you want?
See, because it's open anyway. The sauna, the one that the fancy sauna, it's closed. Remember, because it's a structure. This is just a tent, so it's fine. The tent is good.
Next to Ringo, we're getting an in-ground pool, like underground, and
I want
a
any more.
sauna, like an actual built sauna.
Yeah, see, yeah, I like the tent because move anywhere. Yeah. Plus, you can get dirty. It's not fancy. Yeah.
Wanna go back?
Back now.
Once we get sweaty. Yeah. That's what we did in my grandma and grandpa's. Like we all huddled up around the pool.
Jade, where are you? You wanna go? They're swimming and they're in sauna. Huh? They're fun though. Just join, do it, Jade. When we go to Walmart. Oh no, Walmart then, okay. You've been by yourself the whole time doing it, and I respect that. But now it's time you have your cousins here, you play.
I don't want to go in the sauna.
You want to go swimming then?